What up, gang? So I've been keeping like a little secret from a lot of people, including you, YouTube world. No, mine went there. That's not what it is, but it is a secret. Vehicle-based secret. I'll just show you when we get there. It'll be a second for you guys. It'll be probably about a 30-minute drive for me, but see you in a second. Okay, so a little bit of back and forth, but we're here, and what we got going on is something you can't see, because now you can. We got some new parts in there. This thing is temporarily held up with this board, but those of you who know what you're looking at, that's a bag. Yeah, dude, things going on there. Look what they got going on here. C-notch getting freaking prepped and ready so it can get dropped in the rear. But yeah, old blue going down, baby. We're trying to get her on the ground. So, you know, let's just dive into insert work shots.
Crying loud all the way across town. You've been searching for that someone that is beyond on the crowd. As you sit around feeling sorry for yourself, well, don't get lonely now, and try your white eyes. I'm just hoping for the moment. So uptight, you've been thinking about ditching me. No time to search the world around, 'cause you know where I'll be found when I come around. Oh, I heard it all before. I'm a loser and the user, so it's only no accuser to try and slide me down because I know you're right. So go do what you like. Make sure you do it right. You may find out that yourself that means nothing worth everything. You can't go forcing something if it's just not right. No time to search the world around, 'cause you know where I'll be found when I come around. Time to search the world around, 'cause you know where I'll be found when I come around. When I come around. When I come around.
Okay, so clearly it's not nighttime outside anymore, so that means it's time for an update. So when I left the other night, it was about midnight, and because we're in a backyard, not like in an industrial area, we have to be respectful. So we shut her down around midnight for obvious, you know, noise purposes, stuff like that. Just try to, I mean, it's Friday night, so we pushed it till midnight. Try to be somewhat respectful. When we left, we had the one side notched all the way, like welded in and everything. The other side tacked in, if I'm not mistaken. But anyway, look, we got some tires here that were on old blue, and now they're back here. And these might actually be going on another freaking project we got coming up. There's an event coming up in about a month. This is the end of March, so about a month from now, just a little longer. There's another event coming up we're trying to make, off-road event. We're gonna see if we can't slap these bad boys on there. But anyway, these came off the blue Chevy because it's getting low. But I wanted to take this opportunity and kind of let you know future projects potentially coming up, more updates on old blue coming up, getting bagged. So if you made it this far, I greatly appreciate it. I hope you enjoy the content, and I hope you consider sticking around for more low content and lifted content. Hashtag HyLoTv. But yeah, greatly appreciate it. Consider liking the video, consider subbing up. We'll see you on the next one.